Today we're restoring this iPhone 11 from this horrendous state to a brand new fully functioning phone. Here we have the phone itself packaged in an iPhone 14 box, which will be great for my box collection. To fix this phone, we have our replacement screen, which does include a free screen protector. And finally, we have the replacement housing, which also comes in an iPhone 16 Plus box. Upon powering up the phone, we are already at the setup screen, which is a good sign. Anyways, let's get started. We can power down the phone, remove the two bottom screws, and pry up on the screen. After unscrewing, we can now remove the bracket and LCD connectors. We will need to transfer over the speaker and proximity sensor from the old screen to the new screen for Face ID to be working. Now we can remove the battery. Even though I'm replacing it, the new battery has not arrived yet, so I'll use the old one for now to test everything. Next, we can remove the rear camera. After that, we can unscrew the remaining brackets to then remove the logic board. We still have a few small parts left to remove. We are halfway done and we have a lot of screws to manage. Just for comparison, here's what one of the iPhone screws look like next to one rice grain. Powering up the phone, it looks like it powers on successfully and everything works great, just like a brand new phone. So basically I lost the rest of the footage and I was able to fix it up successfully, and I tested everything and it worked perfectly well. And I listed it on eBay and Facebook Marketplace, and about 3-4 days after listing it on eBay, it sold. That's it for this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe because I'll be sure to do more of these kind of videos, and this time I won't lose the footage.